of course, we're revising. But of course, si Mimiya, kamusta?
Okay naman, direct. Actually, I love it. Kasi parang first time namin gumamit ng mascot.
Okay.
Sa shoot.
And parang inalisan niya ng trabaho kasi parang yung content team niya nag-shoot ang sobrang ganda eh.
Hindi, kasi direct, in all fairness naman sa team ko, when we work together, parang may nagagawa naman kaming something amazing.
Gusto mo bang mag-shoot na? Kasi parang get sa mali eh. Oo. Sobrang hectic today. Static lang. Pero okay naman. Buti magaling yung mga KOLs natin. They can shoot their own content. But of course, they need the guidance of us, yung buong campaign.
Sige nga, try nga natin.
Okay, so, sinut niya yung content niya. We were here with the team. Kasi, alam ko, nagmamadali tayo lahat, diba? Oh. So, you have your team naman. Very much familiar with how you shoot the content. So, perfect yan. Ang goal is...
Oh, tama ka nga, BB Angel. It's so light, it's so hydrating. I feel like my life is unclenching. Wow!
Correct.
Thank you,
salamat. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
We're a bit behind by 30 minutes, pero that's usually common naman and pick up really soon. Sige, game team tayo. People are really expecting this campaign to launch properly.